name is Erica Rudolph, and I am a field manager for FMC's Precision Agriculture Division. And I'm standing here in this beautiful pistachio orchard with our Precision Agriculture Field Specialist intern, Jonathan. And we're very excited to be speaking today about our camera trap initiative, monitoring for navel orangeworm in California almonds and pistachios. Now, navel orangeworm is the most important pest of almonds and pistachios. And so we're hoping to use the technology to address some pain points with conventional trapping. So Jonathan, what have you been up to all summer?
Yeah, so this summer we have worked with our collaborators to deploy almost 300 camera traps in pistachios and almonds throughout the Central Valley.
And so these camera traps are really neat. Will you explain a little bit about what the kind of differences are between the camera trap and a conventional trap and how these function?
The only difference is the node on top. The node has a camera, GPS, cell service, and a solar panel. What the solar panel does is that it recharges the trap throughout the season, so you do not have to plug in the trap nor change the batteries. What the camera does is it takes daily pictures of the liners that are placed inside the trap.
Yes, and so when it takes the image of the liner, it sends the image to a mobile application called Arc Farm Intelligence that FMC has created. And so when the image of the liner reaches your Arc Farm Intelligence app, an artificial intelligence algorithm is used to identify the navel orangeworm against the other bycatch on the liner. So you receive a daily image and a daily count that's already been counted for you anywhere you would like, just by looking at your phone. One really cool feature of the Arc Farm Intelligence app is the heat map. So when you have multiple traps placed in your orchards, you can view the pest pressure in each trap on a landscape level. And so you can see the traps lighting up with green, yellow, or red based on UC set thresholds. And basically when it trips the highest threshold, your trap will be red. Each little circle indicating a trap has a little cloud around it, and that makes up the heat map. So with the heat map, you can actually see all of this camera trap set up across the valley, and you can see how the pest pressure evolves as it moves from the south to the north of the valley. When you want to view trap level insights, you can click on one of the individual traps, and it will take you to a graph view where you can see the pest catches over time in 3 different styles. So if you want to see a cumulative count or a daily count, you can kind of set that for yourself. When you click on any of the little points along the graph, you will be able to see a image of the inside of your trap. So you can zoom in and really inspect those insects for yourself. FMC has recently released a degree day module of the Arc Farm Intelligence application. So not only do you have trap captures to help you make a decision, but you also have degree days in the app. So with the degree day module, you're able to see the degree day accumulation for navel orangeworm in pistachios at a trap level using specific weather data that's collected by FMC. So in combination between the trap catches and the degree day information, you should be able to make a more informed decision about when to apply for navel orangeworm. So Jonathan, I know you've been instrumental in the creation of the FMC Upside Pest Alert. Can you explain a little bit about what people can find there?
Yeah, so our pest alert includes a data table that has the average cumulative moth capture throughout the season, our current navel orangeworm degree days, and our next 7-day forecasted navel orangeworm degree days in the cities and the counties throughout our Central Valley.
Oh, that's great. So you'll know exactly when you're projected to reach an important degree day milestone. And the degree day models that we are using are all developed by UC and USDA. So you know that they're scientifically sound.
The Upside Pest Alert also includes the heat map of the week, which you're able to see the major hotspots throughout the Central Valley.
And so, if someone would like to gain access to the FMC Upside Pest Alert, who should they talk to?
The way they could get access to the pest alert is to reach out to their representatives of FMC.